Reflection Collective started off with two very passionate photographers who were actually studying courses that has nothing to do with photography, and they wanted to create a space where like-minded people can come together, create, and be inspired.
We've hosted photo walks in the past where members interact with each other, build connections, and learn from each other in the process. And during COVID, we also hosted masterclasses with professionals who've been in the industry for quite a while.
We're also super excited to announce that we're expanding our field of interest into filmmaking, and we've planned photo trips, themed photo shoots, a YouTube channel, and we've reached out to industry professionals for collaboration opportunities and masterclasses.
If you have a passion for photography or videography, or just have an interest in either, then you should come to the Reflection Collective to meet like-minded people, and not to mention that the club is also free to join.